Hey gang, welcome back to the 1 minute review. And today I have a really special treat for you to see. You don't see many of these watches out there anymore. And this is a nice one from 1950s. This is the LeCoultre Futurematic watch. In very good condition. So just want to give you a little close-up of this watch. This watch does run. I don't know much about these watches, but I did pick one up. And I really want you to see the condition of this watch. Absolutely perfect. So when I picked it up, it started running automatically. The power meter is low. I don't know if it's supposed to be in the red or in the black. I'm not sure. I do shake it around. I do hear the weight running around. I'm not sure if it needs to be serviced. I don't know really much about this watch, but I do know it is in very good condition. The crystal is excellent. The watch is in excellent condition all around. I want to show you the back of it here, how it looks. The band is not original. This is an old Spidell band that's on here, but still the watch itself is all original itself. Now the crown is different with this type of watch here. It's interesting. To set the time, you have to slip this out this way. Then you adjust the time. I'll show you how that works. You can slip it out, all right? Then you just twist it, dial in the back, and you can see that's how you set the time. This is not how you wind it. It's an automatic watch. You have to wind it automatically. Otherwise, it has a counterweight inside here, and when you wear it, it kind of winds the watch. But I've been moving it around. I haven't seen the power meter move at all. I'm not really sure how that works, but this is the back here. You can see it's a slide, do not lift. So when I first saw the watch, I thought it was a battery, but it's not. It's an automatic. You just the slides. See that click? Moves out. When you move it out, then you can adjust the time just like that. And then you can see and adjust the time just like that. Then when you're done, you push it back in. But I really wanted to show you the beauty of this watch here. They're very hard to find. They're very highly collectible and very sought after. It's a beautiful watch. Like I said, when I picked it up, it started running. The power meter is exactly where it is. It hasn't moved at all. So if you guys know anything about this watch, if it needs to be serviced, or is this typically you have to wear it all day, I'm not really sure. But I think it's worth this video just to show the quality. You don't see a lot of these watches out there. And if you do, they're asking a lot of money. So this is the watch itself. It's not the original band. It is a aftermarket band. But the watch itself, the crystal is it's really in amazing condition, this crystal. I'm actually shocked at how good this crystal is. I know it's hard to tell, but it is in a very good condition. Get a close-up of that like that. You can see. So I'm going to wear this tomorrow. I'm going to see if that power meter maybe has to be worn for a day or so. Maybe it takes time to wind up. I've been moving it back and forth. And I I can hear it rattling inside. I can hear it moving. And it is running. So it must be winding, right? If it's running. I know if it runs, I think you have a 40-hour power reserve once this is wound up into the red. And I don't know how long it takes to get there. So, I mean, that's one thing I don't know. So if you guys have any idea or any questions at all, or if you have some information about this, leave that in the comments. Again, there aren't a lot of videos out there of this watch, and it's very hard to find them in this amazing condition. Very futuristic for 1950s. Think about it. No crown on the side. Very sleek, high quality watch with the beautiful back that you wind it from the, not wind it, when you set the time from the back, and it fits on the wrist just beautifully. And just super duper comfortable. Again, gorgeous watch. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I just want to make it a 1 minute review. I know it's a little bit longer than that because it's such a beautiful watch. I think it warrants the extra time. No pun intended. So that's what I have for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the beauty and the idea behind this gorgeous. You can see it's just absolutely spectacular. Swiss made. From 1950, I don't think it was ever serviced and still runs today. And it's absolutely gorgeous. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions or any comments, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Appreciate it as always. Hope you're enjoying all this type of content on my channel, and I appreciate it. And I'll see you at the next 1 minute review. Thanks for watching.